Okay, we've got a 2018 Mercedes S-Class, and this is a quick video on how to power back the calipers in order to replace the pads or to replace the disc and pads without any use of any special tools. So you can do it via the buttons. So all you'll need is you're going to need the phone button, and you'll need the OK button and the up and down, and the OK is the enter button. So the first thing you need to do is have the vehicle in park, and you also have to turn off the handbrake. So with the ignition on, pull the handbrake button so you turn your electric handbrake off, and then what you have to do is come back with the key to position 1, and then you push the telephone button, the up button, and then immediately afterwards press the OK button and hold for 5 seconds. Then another menu pops up. Release the 2 buttons, and then using the arrows to the left of your steering wheel, so up and down. So with the down arrow, we need to come down to brake pad replacement. Then press OK, and what you'll hear after pressing OK again, press OK, and you'll hear the calipers move in the back. That's it. So that's the calipers now moved all the way backwards, so you can push and open the calipers in order to fit the discs and pads. To save your ignition, you can just turn off the key and then carry out with the repair. So once you've removed and replaced the brake pads, you'll then need to come back into the car. So just turn the key back to position 1. Then automatically it'll come up with the same menu, so press OK for pad replacement, and now it says fitting position reached. To exit the fitted position, press OK, and you'll hear the calipers go back into position again. And that's it. Confirm for OK, and that's it. So to exit the menu, you just press the back button, which is this one here, and then you're back out where you started from. I hope that helps.